Welcome to Study Loop.
Everyone, so let's have a look at this chemistry problem here, and before I start, I recommend students to pause the video, do it themselves, and come back to see if they got the question right or not. That is the true way of knowing if you fully understand the topic, right? So let's start with what we're given. We're given that the red spheres here are cations, and if you recall, that means it's a positively charged ion, and then the blue spheres here are anions. So they're the negatively charged ions, right? And then we're given 4 options, and we need to decide which one it could be, right? So these are the 4 options we're given. What I think would be helpful is by starting to split the ions in each of these compounds, right? So this would be K plus and Br minus. We know the K plus, and there would be SO4 2 minus, and then for this one, and a 3 minus. And the last one, it's a bit messy, but Fe. The way that I know this iron over here has a 3 plus charge instead of a 2 plus charge, because there's 3, I know that sulfate already has a 2 minus charge, something memorized, I guess, and if it record 2 minus, so if this was 2 plus, then we wouldn't need 2 irons, if that makes sense. So these are the ions, and now let's look at the different coefficients, right? We need to see that this is 1, this is 1, so it's a 1 to 1. There's 2 of this and 1 of this. There is 1 and 2. There's 2 and 3. So you must be asking yourself, why am I looking at the coefficients? Because if you recognize from the picture already, yeah, there is a 2 to 1 ratio for cation, because there's 2 layers of anions, only 1 layer of cations. So that's why I looked at the coefficient, and we can see that calcium nitrate is the answer, because there is one ratio of cations, which is the calcium positive ion, and 2 for the nitrate anion. So that is the answer, and now I hope